Hi, I just wanted to quickly review this paper that I got from Amazon. It's only 15 inches long. This is the 38 feet or 450-inch roll. It's about like this, pretty small. It does come kind of shrink wrapped, but I went ahead and tore it off. And I want to show you, it's good for craft stuff as long as don't need anything real big. You can see it is kind of thin. It's not completely tissue paper, but it is kind of thin. But here's what I'm going to use it for. Packing material. And it just works really great. I've already kind of used one roll of this already to pack up a bunch of china to go ahead and ship. But you just kind of roll it up. It is nice and sturdy. It's slightly thinner than the stuff you normally get in an Amazon package to the packing paper, but it's still pretty darn good. And for a roll this size, that actually works well. So that's what I'm using for wrapping paper or packing paper. Again, nice big roll. Looks good. I really like it. If you're looking for packing paper, can't go wrong with this stuff.